Starting a gaming company can feel like embarking on an epic quest. First, envision what kind of games you want to create. Is it a mobile game, a console adventure, or an indie PC game? This vision will guide your next steps. Next, gather your party. You'll need a team with diverse skills: programmers, artists, writers, and marketers. Everyone plays a role in bringing your game to life. But finding the right people can be a challenge, so networking in gaming communities or industry events can be a big help. It's also important to define the roles and responsibilities clearly within your team. Having a well-structured workflow ensures that everyone stays focused on their tasks, helping your project run smoothly. Now, let's talk funding. You can seek investors, use personal savings, or try crowdfunding. Each option has its pros and cons, so choose what's best for your situation. Remember, a detailed business plan can attract potential investors by showing you're serious. Speaking of plans, one of the most important steps is making your company official. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, the #1 online incorporation service provider. We can help you with all the paperwork. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 and we will handle the nitty-gritty details so you can focus on your game. Once your company is registered, think about the legal protections you'll need. Copyrights and trademarks are vital to protect your intellectual property and ensure your game is recognized as yours. Once your company is set up, think about the tools and technology you'll need. Game engines like Unity or Unreal are popular choices, and many offer free versions for small teams. Dive into tutorials and online resources to get your team up to speed. Don't forget about testing your game thoroughly. Beta testing with a group of players can provide valuable feedback to improve the gameplay experience before releasing it to the public. Marketing is another key piece of the puzzle. Get the word out about your game through social media, gaming forums, and even attending conventions. Building a community around your game can drive interest in sales. Consider partnerships with influencers or gaming YouTubers who can help spread the word. Their endorsement can give your game a lot of visibility among the right audience. As you begin to gain traction, keep a close eye on your analytics. Understanding how users are engaging with your game can provide insights into areas for improvement and help guide your next steps for future updates. There's no set formula for success in gaming, but with passion, creativity, and a little bit of luck, your gaming company can level up in no time. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join us for more entrepreneurial adventures.